Excellence awardees. We will begin with Academic Excellence awardees from grade 7. To present the awards, may I call on the grade level coordinator, Ma'am Andrea Daniel D. Labrador.
Dear parents, makikisuyo po, pakaampan po ng ating mga anak dito sa stage. Academic Excellence Awardees.
Grade 7.
Abadilia Carl Vincent with honors. Abariento Sofia Cassandra P. with honors. Aguirre Naomi Zorin P. with honors. Alberto Samantha with honors. Alferez Roxy May with honors. With honors. Ampuan Jasmine with honors. Ansal Christian Amber P. with honors. Aquino Alea Kisha with honors. Araza Felisa Dominic with honors. With honors. Margarine Rob Irish with honors. Aton Alena with honors. Bantilo Maria Isabel Victoria with honors. Baisa Megan Faye with honors. Begino Rio Elijah with honors. Belmonte Aristeo Marcos with honors. Bernal Nicolette with honors. Biala Euphane Denise with honors. Bossing Emmanuel Gabriel with honors. With honors. Cabalsa Joy Eric with honors. Cabario Paige Shello with honors. Cabrera Adrian Rosette with honors. Cacho Justin Miguel with honors. With honors. Casim Leandro with honors. Casipe Steven Carl with honors. Coronado Dane Micah with honors. De Jos Denise Keja with honors. De Jos Elijah Riley, with honors. De Jesus Joaquin, with honors. De Quito Jonah Dorin, with honors. Domingo Kenneth Luis, with honors. Doroteo Akura Shai, with honors. Tumon Hannalyn Joy, with honors. Rehersito Alicia Giselle, with honors. Endaya Angeline Jasmine, with honors. Escusa Lorenzo Liz, with honors. Estiliore Sairish Ivan, with honors. Choco de Bon, with honors. Estoy Wayne Rafael, with honors. Evangelista Erich, with honors. Ganzote Maria Mejotrix, with honors. Gazillian Shaolin Luther, with honors. Garale Denise Pay, with honors. Galingay Joanna Ezra, with honors. Carmen Ulrich God, with honors. Iliria Elisha Adonai, with honors. Haringel Tiffany Shea, with honors. Hodson Mary Janine, with honors. Juan Ray, with honors. Lagrimas Alicia Joy, with honors. Landicho Arian J, with honors. La Quinta Sheila Marie, with honors. Leabres Jewel, with honors. Lee Cyrus James, with honors. Lee Dijan Ezekiel, with honors. Lopez Riley Chase, with honors. Lorenzo Carlin Ashanti, with honors. Lozada Ayesha Anika, with honors. Magtibay Kurt John Renz, with honors. Maminta Ryan, with honors. Manalo Reese Rain, with honors. Mandapat J. Wings Deep, with honors. Maranan Maxine Micaela, with honors. Martinez Prince Nathaniel, with honors. Matyong Jonalie, with honors. Miguel Angelica, with honors. Masuela Kian, with honors. honors. Noda Cristally with honors. Noliora Truman Hector with honors. Ophelia John Romeo with honors. Oliva Elaine Nicole with honors. Pangadapon Mishrin Pandao with honor. Pascual Angela Isabel with honors. Patriarca Ralph Roy with honors. Peralta Mia Shreya Naida with honors. Pigaw Andrea Rain with honors. Pion Raquel with honors. Porte Ira Joyce with honors. Porteria Abigail with honors. Quezon Joel Jasmine with honors. Rayos Thea Grace with honors. Rebadulia Junior Reynold with honors. Vicafrente Jelsi with honors. Rivera Hannah Jane with honors. Robinios Hannah Shane with honors. Sadul Joanna Laika with honors. Salvatera Ishame with honors. Sechong Jisha with honors. Sanil Cassandra Elise with honors. Servidad Nathaniel Ian with honors. Somera Princess Angeline with honors. Santa Ana Misha Nazareth with honors. Texon Unique Amber with honors.
Meron ka ng kapalit si Ma'am Villar
Tito
mamaya.
Arthur Dale with honors. Tupa Xavier with honors. Unson Sian John with honors. Urbano Natalie Jade with honors. Yusuf Fahad with honors. Villacarillo Kian with honors. Binarao Francesca Dayan with honors. Del Rosario Zachary with honors.
Thank you, Ma'am Labrador, and to all grade 7
Saan
academic
ipotography?
excellence awardees.
Okay po.
And now we proceed to the grade 8 academic excellence awardees. And to assist us in the awarding medals, may we request the presence of Ma'am Nina Persemira